Egypt has a new fighter jet. It's called the J10C. China made this jet. This is a big deal. It shows Egypt is looking for new partners. For many years, Egypt used jets from America and Europe. But now, Egypt is turning to China. The J10C is a modern jet. It has advanced technology. This makes Egypt's Air Force stronger. This deal is a sign of China's growing influence. China is becoming a major player in the Middle East. The Middle East is important for oil and trade. The J10C is a symbol of change. It shows that the world is changing. Old alliances are shifting. New partnerships are forming. Egypt's choice to buy the J10C is a sign of these changes. The J10C is a powerful fighter jet. It has a delta wing design. This makes it fast and agile. The jet has advanced radar and avionics. This allows it to find and track enemies. One of the most important features of the J10C is the PL-15 missile. This is a long-range air-to-air missile. It can hit targets from far away. The PL-15 gives the J10C a significant advantage in air combat. The missile is very hard to stop. It can evade enemy defenses. This makes it a very dangerous weapon. The J10C also has other weapons. It can carry bombs and missiles for ground attack. This makes it a versatile aircraft. It can be used for many different missions. Egypt's decision to buy the J10C is a big shift. For decades, Egypt relied on the West for weapons. It bought F-16s from the United States. It also got weapons from France and other European countries. But things are changing. Egypt is looking for new partners. There are several reasons for this. One reason is that the West has sometimes put conditions on arms sales. They have raised concerns about human rights in Egypt. Egypt is also looking for the best deals. China is offering advanced weapons at competitive prices. This is attractive to Egypt. They want to modernize their military without overspending. This shift away from the West has consequences. It could affect Egypt's relationships with its traditional allies. The United States, in particular, might be concerned about this deal. Section 4. A new chessboard. Geopolitical implications of the J10C deal. The J10C deal has implications beyond Egypt. It affects the whole region. It shows China's growing influence in the Middle East. China is becoming a major player in the region. This worries some countries. They see China's growing power as a threat. The United States is concerned about China's influence in the Middle East. This could lead to competition and tension. Other countries in the region are watching closely. They might also consider buying weapons from China. This could change the balance of power in the Middle East. The deal also shows that the world is becoming more multipolar. No single country or bloc dominates anymore. This creates both opportunities and challenges for countries like Egypt. Section 5. Integrating the Dragon. Challenges and opportunities for Egypt. There are challenges for Egypt. Integrating the J10C into its air force will be difficult. The jet uses different systems than Western aircraft. Egypt will need to train its pilots and mechanics. This will take time and resources. Egypt will also need to buy spare parts and weapons from China. This could create dependence on China. Egypt will need to manage this relationship carefully. Despite the challenges, there are also opportunities. The J10C strengthens Egypt's air force. It gives Egypt more leverage in the region. It also allows Egypt to diversify its sources of weapons. Overall, the J10C deal is a significant development. It is a sign of Egypt's ambition. It is also a sign of China's growing global reach. The deal will have a lasting impact on the balance of power in the Middle East.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.